Okay, meeting started, I think. Yeah. So you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, today we'll start with levels of testing. This is the topic of today. Yeah. So what is a levels? So why there is a level? Do you think whenever there is a application, a bug, whatever, okay, do you think you will start directly the testing? So maybe I'll ask general. So something who will implement newly or who will fix in the application is the tester or developer?
Developer.
Developer. Okay. So the question is, so something they are implementing newly in the application or something they're fixing in the application. So do you think they will give you without any testing?
No, they will test and give us.
They will test and do it, but they will test functionally, like whatever they implement newly. That is, maybe they will test high level. So they won't test whatever as a tester you will test like that. Okay. For example, yesterday I mentioned there is a new feature that adding mic. Okay. So if they are adding new mic, they will check the mic symbol is there or not. That's all. Okay. But as a tester, you will test more in depth. If you click that it's properly taking your voice or not, searching based on your voice, and there is some more scenarios you will test as a tester. But as a developer, okay, whatever the new implementation, it's there or not. That's all. That's how they will test. But they need to test from backend. Okay. So for example, whatever the coding you are writing for the page, right? For example, if you want for this search box, okay, they should write some codings. Am I right? So what kind of coding? They will write something. For example, if I click this, so for this search box, this is the line of coding they written. Okay. So same like that for each and every field in the backend, they will write some codings. Okay. From there, they need to check. Okay. That is called peer review. They will mention in real time unit testing. Okay. That means, so whatever the coding, for example, they are writing some logics. Okay. So all the logics that are properly implemented or not. For example, they are writing something for the this place. This logic might affect some other place also. For example, there you have mic symbol, right? So okay, as a tester, what are the things you will test here? So there is a new mic symbol attached. Sorry, newly added. So here, what are the things you will test newly? So we will check the mic is properly
Mic.
working or not. Okay. Then yeah, based on the voice, it's properly searching or not, it's clickable or not. The symbol, it's this that mic symbol, it's coming inside this box or not. There is lots of scenarios we can test, right? But as a developer, they won't test this all functional things. But for this, whatever the coding they are written, right? They will check that codings. The whatever the coding they written, it's not affecting any other places. Okay. Do you know that for loop, if loop concept on the right? So for that, while writing that, it might be affect some other places. Okay. That they will check. But this testing, it's won't come for testers. Okay. Because who knows the coding and all?
Developer.
Coding for developers only know. So we can't do anything here. So this kind of testing is done by developers. Okay. This testing is called unit testing. Okay. Now we'll see the notes. The first level is unit testing. Okay. So for other name of the unit testing is model testing, component testing. Okay. So unit testing conducts on single program or single model. That means it's just verifying the programming logics kind of. Okay. And unit testing is a white box testing technique. I'll tell later what is white box, what is black box and all. Just leave this. And unit testing is conducted by developers. This is the main point for this topic. So usually who will do the unit testing? Developers. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So in this first level, we won't do anything. Whenever they are implementing something newly, it's first they will test. Okay. From coding level. Okay. Then Integration testing. What is mean by integration testing? Simple. Maybe for example, if I give this page to you, what are the things you will test? Just imagine you are the tester of Facebook company. So what are the things you will test in this page? So you guys won't test anything here.
We'll check if the password and email address is taken correctly or not, whether it's
Okay.
logging in or not.
Yeah, email ID, password they will test. Okay, then
Forgot password is working or
okay,
not.
okay. This they will check. Then
Create new account.
okay.
If all
So
this,
yeah, functionality wise, you can check the email ID, password, it's properly logging in or not. But before going to that level, first I will check the integration testing. What is mean by integration testing means? So how many pages are linked with this page?
okay.
So how many pages are linked now with this page? This one page, how many pages are linked?
Two, two, two,
Two,
three,
two
two.
or three?
Three.
Three. How three?
Login one, forgot
Yes.
password.
Forgotten
Yeah.
password.
Okay. So whenever you enter email ID, password, right? Then if you click login, it navigate to another page. That means home page. That is
Yes.
linked with this page. So if I click this, this is also moving to another page. That means okay, leave that. Okay. So if we click this, it's also moving to another one page. So what is the mean then? These are different screens, but all the screens are linked with this page, right?
Yes.
So these are integrated pages. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So these all are the integrated pages. As a tester, first I will start with the integration testing. Integration testing means so whatever the integrated pages are there, right? So before going to functionally, for example, you can check the email ID password, right? So there you can check many scenarios. Like you can give valid email ID, valid password, and try to log in. Invalid email ID, invalid password, try to log in. Valid email ID, invalid password. That combination you can try. There is lots of scenarios you can try. But before going to that level of testing, we should check the link integrated pages are properly opening or not. For example, if I click this link, this is kind of link, right? So if I click this, okay, nothing will happen. Then that is right or wrong. It should move to next page, but there is nothing happen. Then it's a bug. Okay. First, we need to ensure the integrated pages are properly navigating or not. That is called integration testing. Okay. So here is just three, but when it comes to maybe for here, for example, if you click here, you are able to see another one fresh page about MX player. So same like that, you have lots of integrated pages are there. Okay. So this is what the integration testing. You will test in real time. So you will test all the integrated models, everything here. Okay. This is called integration testing. Now we'll see the definition. So integration testing performed between two or more models. Okay. For now, maybe you can take that as a pages. The integration testing performed between two or more pages. The pages which is linked, right? That's what they mentioned. Okay. And integration testing focus on checking the data communication between multiple models. So data communication is nothing much. If I click this, it should navigate or not. If it is navigating means the data communication is right. It's properly navigating. That's what we will check. Okay. Clear on integration testing?
Sir,
Yes.
again,
Yeah.
sir, you
Tell me.
explain again.
Yeah. So integration testing means whatever the integrated pages are there, right? Integrated pages means the links, whatever link. So to check it's properly working or not. That is
Okay.
what integration testing. You won't
Oh.
test any other thing in this page. Only verify
Integrated
the
pages.
integrated pages. Yes, it's properly integrating or not. That's you will check. Okay.
Okay.
This is the second level.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now you are completed integration testing. Then the next level is system integration testing. Okay, this is testing the overall application, overall functionality of the application with respect to client requirements. This is what actual testing. Okay, so earlier you tested only this, right? Now you will test all the scenarios, all the functionalities. You will test. So testing the entire functionality in the application. That is called system integration testing. Okay, that is your third level. Clear? So you are not started your testing in the direct first level. The first level is first the developer will double check all the codings, whatever they did is right or wrong. The second level, we just verify that integrated pages are properly opening out. In the third level only, we are testing the entire functionalities. Okay. Here we will check the entire application, the entire functionality of the application is properly working or not. The entire testing. Okay. Clear? This is third level. Then you can think what is fourth level. That's all. We have tested everything, right? Then why we have next level? We have one level. Why? I'll tell. The next level is called EAT testing. Okay, maybe we'll see this also. So testing overall functionality of the application is respective client requirements. Based on your client requirement, you will test the entire application. And it's a black box testing technique. So leave this. I'll tell what is black box, what is white box, everything. Okay. And this testing is conducted by testing team. Okay, this is unwanted. So after completion of component integration level testing, we start the system testing. So component testing means don't think something. Okay, this is unit testing. Okay. Once you completed this both testing, you will start with system integration testing. What the point? You know the customer requirements and all. Okay, that's all. So, but this is the key point for this particular level. Testing the overall functionality of the application with respective client requirements. Okay. Okay. So the next one is UAT testing. Okay. What is UAT testing? What is the difference here? I will tell in the system integration testing and UAT testing. In the both places, we are going to test the entire application. But there is only one difference. So as I mentioned earlier, so whatever you are testing, right? So where you will test? So as a tester, whatever you are testing, right? From where you will test everything. So is a developer environment or testing environment?
Testing environment.
Yes. So whatever the research, whatever the testing we are doing, right? This is our local testing environment. There only we will test. Okay. So once you are okay, first, for example, first all the applications, right? Everything will be in developer environment. While developing, they will implement, they will verify everything from their environment. They feel everything is working fine means they will merge the code to develop testers environment. Okay. From development to testing environment, they will merge all the code or they will give the latest fix. Then we need to install in testing environment, everything like that. Okay. Once you feel you completed all the testing things in your testing environment, then where it will go next? So you are completed your testing in the testing environment. Then the application will go where?
Test execution.
I did test.
Execution.
No. You are completed your test execution. You are in your test environment. You are done. Okay.
Test
Then what
closure.
is the next? Hey girl, no. I'm not telling that things. Okay.
It's the deployment.
I am telling you are completed all testing, test closure, everything is completed. Okay.
Okay.
Deployment.
It's
What is the
ready
next?
to
Deployment. Yeah, it's
deploy.
next deployment. But they in real time you won't directly deploy that to customers. Okay.
No.
Again, we need to verify in customer environment. Okay. That means so we have one environment called customer environment. This is almost same like real time. So what we are installing, right? It's almost same. But some company they will directly launch to deploy to real time customers. There they will check. But some company we have same like real time environment. Okay. That is called customer environment. So they will deploy our application in the customer environment. Okay. There also we will do one round of testing. Okay. Because we need to ensure still the application is working properly in customer environment also. Okay. Whatever we are testing in the system integration testing, right? In the testing the overall functionality, the same you will do for customer environment, testing in the customer environment also. Okay. There is no difference. Only the environment is different. You will test the entire application in system in testing environment, then you will test the entire application in customer environment. That's all. Okay. What is the only difference? The environment. We are testing that in customer environment. That's all. Okay. Because what will happen while merging code, right, or while deploying something, sometimes they will miss, or some DLLs or some files are not properly copying, means there it won't work. Then what will happen? The customer will have the bad impression. So whatever you are telling it's working, it's not working here, like that. So better we will check once in their environment also, then we will confirm. Okay, clear? We'll see that in the definition. So after completion of system testing, UAT team conducts acceptance testing in 2 levels. The 2 level I'll tell, but don't see this. This is for your
So
homework.
what is UAT means? What is the full
User
form?
acceptance testing.
Okay.
Maybe I'll mention that in the bracket. User acceptance testing. Okay. This is called UAT testing. I think who is already working, Kavya, I think, right? So are you ever hear about the UAT testing? No. From where you guys are testing? Then you guys are doing the functional testing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So there is a separate team called EAT testing team. Okay, alpha team, beta testing, like validation testing. I don't know you guys are, because in my first company I don't have that things. Okay, but I hear the name EAT testing is happening now in customer environment. After that we'll get update kind of words. Okay. Okay. Yeah, UAT testing means testing the application in customer environment. That's a key point. Okay. This is the main point for the UAT testing. So there we will conduct the testing in 2 levels. Okay. Alpha testing, beta testing. So this is what, if you understand this alpha beta testing, you will understand this UAT testing as well. Okay. But this alpha and beta testing is your homework. Okay. So this is the topic which I am giving to you. You need to explain me tomorrow. What is alpha testing? What is beta testing? Okay. Why I am giving this task to you now? For example, so we all are going to try a job in IT, right? So what is very important in IT company? Which habit is very important? So okay, now we are learning from here. So in some institutions, right? Java, Selenium, whatever. So you join some company after 2-3 years. In your company, they're using some different tools. Okay. Do you think in the time also you will join some other institute and learn? So every 2-3 years once your company changing some different tools. So do you think every time you will join some course from Besant and you will learn? That's the process you will follow, do you think? Then how you will learn? We should learn by our own, the self-learning. Okay. So that is the main habit you need to improve in IT. So not always someone will come and teach you. That's not the right. Okay. So you
Yes.
should start the habit of preparing by your own. Okay. Something if you don't know, you just need to go and search in internet. You have lots of things now, right? There is lots of sources. So you should
Yes.
learn that habit. Okay. I don't know you guys already have that habit or not, but I want you guys need to start that habit, because in IT company that is very important. Okay. Because for example, how to tell? Yeah. For example, we are learning Java Selenium, this automation tools. But do you think all the companies are using only Java Selenium? They have different tools in their company. Okay. But in interview, this is enough. But after joining, they will ask you to start learning these particular tools. Okay. For some tools, you won't get any institution also. Some tools you won't learn. You don't have the choice to choose the course also. Okay. So the better thing is you will start learn by your own. That's a good habit in IT company. Okay. So I don't know you guys are there that habit or not. So just I want to start that habit from here. Okay. So from
Okay.
daily basis, this is not a very big, just matter of 2 lines. Okay. But what you need to do is just go and search wherever you want, ChatGPT, YouTube, Google, wherever you want, go and search and try to understand. Okay, what is this? What is that? That's all. You have the question. What is alpha testing? What is beta testing? Go and do the research. How much you want. So some people will get to understand within 1 or 2 places. Some people it will take some time. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, take your own time and do the research. What is alpha testing? What is beta testing? Okay. So tomorrow the task is you need to give me explanation. What is alpha testing? What is beta testing? And you should prepare one definition also. If the in interview they will ask what is alpha testing, what is beta testing, you need to give this definition only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is what alpha and beta testing. So I think it is under UAT testing. These are 2 levels. So apart from these 2, is there any other questions? So we have 4 levels of testing: unit testing, integration testing, system integration testing, user acceptance testing. Okay. So unit testing is usually done by developers. It's just verifying the program and logic things. Integration testing is just between 2 or more modules. Just it's verifying the data communication between multiple pages. It's properly navigating or not. And the third one is system integration testing. So system integration testing is testing the entire application, testing the overall functionality of the application. Okay. And UAT testing. UAT testing is the same. So testing the entire functionality of the application, but this testing happens in customer environment. UAT testing. Okay. So under UAT testing, we have alpha and beta testing. That's all. Any doubts? Anything?
No, sir.
Okay. So and also why I'm telling this testing? This is kind of for example. So now you guys are learning this course. Okay. Once you complete it, then what you will do? So after completion of your course, then what you will start? You'll start searching the job, right?
Yes.
Okay. When you start searching a job, what you will do? You will apply some random wherever you see the post or whatever the jobs you are seeing, you will apply. Okay. Then what will happen?
Some interviews will be there.
So for interview, who will call you first?
Company.
Company, entire company will call you.
No, no.
HR team will call. Okay.
Yes.
So what they will ask after calling you? So they will call you like how many years experience you have, when you are free. That things they will ask, right? But these kind of questions asked some years before. Okay. But nowadays, whenever they are asking for call, right? Like they will call and they will ask, right? How many is experience, when you are available, all things. In the meantime, they will ask some basic questions from testing. So what is alpha testing? What is SDLC? That kind of basic questions they will ask. Do you know why? Are you ever hear this before? Is HRs will ask questions. Is anyone aware of that?
Yes, sir. In college, it is used to happen.
Yes, college. Okay, then
It means
anything.
when campuses will come now, so they
Okay, then you completed some years before or when you completed the college?
sir, so many years back.
So many. Still you have the memories. Wow, very good. Okay. Any other question? Sorry, any other choice? Anyone hear this before? From HR they will ask questions. Okay. Do you know why they are asking questions? Any guesses?
To know the
Simple.
knowledge, sir, whether you have knowledge or not.
Okay. After got to know you have knowledge or not, what is the use of that? Why they are asking? Simple concept. So if you have 5-6 vacancy in 10 years before, so how many applicants you will receive? So 5-6 vacancies and you have received 100 people are apply for the job. Okay. Now you have 5-6 vacancies in one company for testing. So how many people will apply? For 5 vacancy, you can see 1,000 applicants nowadays. That means the demand is more, correct? So do you think all 1,000 they will schedule interview?
No.
They can't. So what they will know, they will filter. They will filter based on your college mark, how many percentage you got. They will filter you did course or not. They will filter based on your resume. You have what are the skills and all. They will filter like this. So in the end, you have 100. There also they will call, they will check. So do you know what is SDLC? Do you know what is this? What is this? That's some basic question they will ask. So if you don't know the answer, then what will happen? So if they are asking what is SDLC, you are telling, ma'am, I learned but I forget. Can you give some time? I will revise. Like that. Now what they will tell? They will simply have bad impression. They will tell. Even this much basic questions you don't know, then how you will crack the interview? So I'm not going to schedule you interview. That's all. Okay. So that's why you always be you after did some outside you almost the course will complete. You start applying jobs, right? In the time you should be ready. You always be ready. If I call you in the middle midnight 12 o'clock, you should answer. What is alpha testing? You should tell. Okay. That kind of questions only. These questions alpha and beta testing. There is set of questions are there. These kind of HR questions. I will tell one by one. Okay. But you should know the basic questions properly. Okay. This is also part of actually I personally face this question. What is alpha testing? What is beta testing from one HR? Okay.
Okay.
So maybe after tomorrow, after you guys prepare tomorrow, I can call whenever, right? Midnight 12 o'clock, I will call. I'll ask Kavya, can you tell what is beta testing? Okay, be ready for that.
Okay. Sure.
Don't black me or don't put in silent. Okay, I won't call.
No.
Okay. Yeah, this is kind of questions. Okay, clear. So in the daily basis, I will give some tasks. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
we'll quickly see the next one also. This is what about the levels. You have any questions on the levels of testing? Any doubts on levels of testing?
No.
Okay. The next topic is testing methods. What is testing methods? So here you are able to see that white box, black box, right? What is mean by that? Nothing. Just whatever testing you are doing in the backend. Okay. Whatever testing, whatever the logic level things, whatever you are testing, right, in the backend, that's all called white box testing. Okay. So do you think we will do white box testing? You test all the codings?
No.
Then who will test?
Developers.
Yes. That's why it's part of unit testing. Okay. That means, but you should understand these are just kind of interview purpose. Okay. So whatever the times, this is all really used in real time. White box testing means verifying the coding parts. Okay. Then what is black box? Just opposite for that. And what is black box? Verifying the front end, that UI related things, like verifying the functionalities. These all are called black box testing. Okay, who will do this testing? So who will test the application from the front end? We only will test the application, right? This is what we are functional testers. We will test the functionalities of the application. Okay, we'll see the definition maybe. So first we will start with white box testing. So white box testing conducts an internal logic of the program. So they are verifying the logics and all. Okay, for this what is required? Programming skills are required. So do you think you have programming skills as a tester? We don't have anything. Then who will test? Developers. Okay, simple. So example they give us a unit testing. What is unit testing?
That module testing.
Unit testing is model testing. No. Unit testing is verifying the logic,
Uh,
the first level. Okay.
Module testing, no? No, sir.
Oh,
Unit
you are.
testing, module testing, component
You are.
testing.
Oh, okay. But the thing is, it's verifying the program, the logics. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You are now only you started learning this also. Very good. Wow. Because in interview they will ask what is component testing.
Okay.
No. I'm just giving example. Okay. So you should know the names.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
good. Okay.
Mm.
So this is what white box testing. White box testing means verifying the backend, the internal
Coding.
logics and all. Okay.
Mm.
So this white box testing is done by developers. Done. Then what is black box? So this black box testing means testing conducts on functionality of the application, whether it's working according to customer requirement or not. This is what functional testing. So whatever you are testing in that application, right? That is called black box testing. Okay. So example is the system testing, UAT testing. This all means we are in every system integration and UAT testing. What we are doing, we are testing the application. That's why they are giving this example. Okay. Are you clear on white box and black box, right? Right, black box means testing the functionalities. That's all.
Yes.
Okay. Then what is mean by gray box? Combination of white box and black box. That means, so for example, I'm creating the new user. Here I'm creating new user. I click sign up. Okay. So how do you ensure that the new user is created correctly or not? How you will confirm the new user is created or not?
What,
You
sir?
guys, how you will confirm the new user is created or not? I'll
Some
create a
captcha
new. I'm not clear.
So some captcha comes now, like we have to type that captcha.
Captcha here, what captcha is there? Nothing is there, right?
Oh,
No,
no.
what I'm telling, just imagine you created new user here, username, you enter
Okay.
this, and after that, if you are clicking sign up, but how you will confirm the new user is created or not? How do you check that?
Without any error, if it transfers to another page, then we'll come to know.
Yes, maybe from here, whatever you created the email ID password, right? Whatever you gave, right? So enter here and try to log in. If you are able to log in properly, means that user is created successfully. Okay. This is front end. Okay, we are confirmed from here. What is the other way? What is the other way to check? Okay, so for example, whatever the information I'm giving here, for example, I'm giving that Kavya, you. Okay, these all, if I give sign up, this all information will store somewhere, right? Where it will store all the informations.
Database.
Yes. Are you guys ever hear about database? So every application have database. Okay. So whatever the informations, whatever the details you are giving in the application, right? These all will store in the database. Okay. So from there, if you write some queries, so select star from where the username is Kavya, show me, like that. If you write some queries, you can see the result that user is saved or not, right? That is also one way you can check whatever the values you have, it's storing or not. So that kind of testing is called gray box testing.
Gray box test.
Clear? So why we are telling that as a combination of white box and black box now? Black box means in the front page, like here you can verify. This is one way. And another way is from the back end. So that is kind of coding as per this white box. Queries whatever we are writing, right? That is called coding as per this definition. Okay. So combination of white box and black box is called gray box testing.
Gray test.
Clear? The example for the gray box testing is database testing.
Database.
Okay. So these are the small terms. Okay. We need to know for that small interview questions or to understand. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions on this testing methods?
So beta, once we have to go through
Yeah, you can go through. Now I'm asking while attending this class, right? During the time, if you whatever I explained, right? Here you have any doubts?
no.
Okay. Maybe you may while learning, while started studying this, you may face some doubts. I don't think you will face, but if you face, check the recording again. Okay. There also you did not get, na, just ask me. So everyone have my number, right? Try to save my number and just if you have any doubts, ping me. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. This is what testing methods. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So I think, yeah, this is enough for today. If I take too much, this is small topic only. Okay. So what is your homework for tomorrow?
Alpha testing, beta testing.
What is alpha testing? What is beta testing? You need to prepare. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. And another thing, do you guys want leave on Friday?
Hmm?
You want leave or you don't want? You guys?
For tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow is Thursday or Friday. Friday is the Independence Day, right?
Independent.
You want independent from the class or not? That's the question.
No, sir, it's okay for me. Means I don't want any leave for some
Okay.
other.
Because why I'm asking now, if you guys really want to go somewhere, means just inform me before.
Okay.
Okay. If what happen, if I'll start the class, I'll join the class when I only the person who is in the class. Everyone is on leave. I don't want that. Okay. If
Yeah.
you guys on leave now, I'll also plan. I'll also go somewhere.
Yeah.
I'll take leave. That's why. Okay. So and you, if you guys are taking not only for tomorrow, whenever you guys are taking leave, right? Just if don't take leave, it's mostly 7 to 10 days. So try to attend all the live classes. But if you are taking leave, just mention in the group or as soon as possible in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Or
Sure.
in or otherwise, if you feel something in the group, means just ping me. I am having this reason. I am taking leave, kind of. Okay. But don't take leave. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, yesterday's recorded video didn't send. I think they didn't
I
send.
think they mentioned it's uploaded, right?
No, first video they uploaded.
Yeah. Only one day we took class, right?
No, that was introduction. Yesterday.
The first day, very first day, right? So that day class only uploaded. Yesterday's class is not read, not there.
Yeah.
Okay, just ping it in the group itself.
Okay, sir.
No, sir.
Anyway.
Updated, sir.
Updated,
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
You
Okay.
click same link, na?
Yeah. Only one link.
Available.
Okay.
You send only one link in that.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, same link and the 2 videos is there.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the entire
Fine.
class recording should be available in the same link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So whenever you have time, just try to revise. I think you guys don't have any other classes, right? So try to more focus on the manual testing. It's just second day class. I'm just telling in future, 3-4 days after night, have a bulk of things will come. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll see tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.